So here's the app Intvl, quite a viral app, running app, which makes your running much more fun and gamified. So if you're bored running, try this app. You can run more. Run the streets win the game. So the idea is that you can query city one block at a time. So you have this interactive app of your city. And if you're running, you kind of control the blocks like in some game. And run with your phone or smartwatch, and then you just control these areas. And then it's kind of fun. The more you run, the more territory you control, like in the game. And of course, then there is a community, and your routes become your territory. Battle for space against runners worldwide. Hold zones and climb the live leaderboard. It's running gamified. So this way you have more motivation to run. Not just, just to do like a morning run, but literally you need to conquer territory. You need to do it like every day to hold it. So it's quite fun app. So here's just let's take a look. So let's just I don't know whether it's available. And then you can see a referral code. I don't have it. So if you have a referral code, feel free to add it in here. And then just add later.
There's
So
someone
then
in
you
your
can just
neighborhood
select it,
moving
and
one
then you
hour.
have ads, and then you can see all plans, annual $50 per year, monthly $8 per month, or start a free trial. 2-week free trial, then $50 per year, or that's basically it. So they don't have any free version in here. Wait, and then if you do not upgrade right away, never do that, you will have some discount where it's just okay. So now there is some kind of version, and as you can see, even like in Europe, there are some people who are capturing these territories. You can see your profile, you can see challenges, you can see your feed. There is some community. And then you can just start. And that's kind of your profile. There is also refer a friend. For each friend, you will earn 10 XP and give your friend a discount on an Intvl Pro. So basically, let's just see it. So here's my referral code. Feel free to use my code. And you have 3 referrals. I don't know. And then that's kind of the idea. So check this out. Pretty cool app, super creative, super great idea.